is meant for someone in that grandstand. Sikove Neivakananumi. It was from that far end, in fact. So Rusiatin Duindui was the one. And the clearance from Loloivalo, chasing, cleared away there by Iwane. Tevita Waranivalu. Still Tevita. Iwane. Seta climbs high, misses that one. Lekima. The evergreen Lekima Gonerau. And a miss kick. It will be a throw in to Lambasa here. Ashnil Raju for Sikove. Ashnil Raju on his own now. And out of play. And watch the space in front of this man here. Seli Mone Rovanakula is in number 7 for Lambasa. Throw in it will as Ravnil Pratap, the Lambasa coach, very much on his feet. He knows the final less than 12 minutes from the 90 and the extra time. The Eric Roderick, the Rewa coach there. Free kick to come in from Jose Acela. Will he go for a direct shot? No, he decides to make a delivery for the others. Seta drops it down, but then that one still not collected well. And the cross comes in. They will shortly pick it up. As the corner kick comes in here into the box. And he wanted to take that shot there. Moni Chand. And that fall, but Lambasa is still there. The shot taken and got down by the goalkeeper. Cleared away the second occasion. It's a free kick. Kimi Ralulu being stopped. And the military man, Madhwan Gaundarin, number 11, there he is not happy at all. The referee is calling someone. You watch what happened here on the MyTV live stream replay here. And that late challenge there. The referee and the goalkeeper. Sevania with the clearance there. 82 minutes gone. And this time Tevita ends a free kick there. And the referee tells them to come back and retake that one. Akemi Ralulu having a discussion with the referee. And finally, they have been given the free kick via Madhvan Gounder. And he comes in with a floating one. The header comes in and over the crossbar. That header from Monit. As he prepares to take that goal kick. And 7 minutes is what keeps Navua away from becoming the first team to qualify. Yellow card to this man Sikove Neivakananumi. As throw-in to come in. It will be a throw-in there to the Lambasa side. Asnil Raju. comes in to have a word with the referee, and the referee tells him only a throw-in, nothing more. So words here at the sideline. As play will resume, but then the referee's attention has been called on the sideline. On the sideline in front of the Lambasa bench. As he comes in, a yellow card has been given to one of the officials there. Ravinesh Chand gets the yellow card. So tension not only in the field but also outside the field. They're not happy with the decision that time. The yellow card that was flashed to Sikove Neivakananumi. Watch the body language of these players. They know it's the final 5 here, and they would not want to concede, or they would want to score. Asnil Raju delivers. Iwani clears. Now Lekima from the halfway mark sends it again. Cleared away by Ivan Kumar. Another clearance from Nayasi. And nodding it down there. Patrick puts it up there. Kenny Vangi and Seta. Now from the right hand side here, Asivarosi Rambo. Seta, and that time he missed it from right in front. Not Seta. That was Patrick Joseph. Yeah, Patrick Joseph went in for that one, and he almost connected to it, but then the offside flag was also up, so it would not have counted. Let's watch it here. Joseph went for it, and he lost the footing as well in the process. That would have been a heartbreaker for the Lambasa fans if it was from a legitimate position, and if the connection was made to the chance. Cleared away there. And that shot, that volley towards the goal, did not go to the goal. As 87 minutes gone, the goal kick to come in there. Isikeli Sevanaya, carrying on the legacy of his father, Isikeli Seva. The header cleared away by Madhuan, and Iwani not able to head that ball, the bandage there, and then he misses 2 kicks in terms of clearance. That was a wonderful pass there from Kofana. And now Sikove and Loloivalu. And again a late challenge of the ball. The referee has come in the picture there. He says free kick is what will happen here. 88 minutes gone. As Lekiman Gone Rao will take this one as we watch how it happened here. The late challenge by Asivarosi Rambo, and the free kick about to come in here from Lekima. The right swing near post and hits the crossbar. Still there, and outside. What a miss that one is. That bicycle kick. And everybody was beaten, but they could not beat the bar. It will be a corner kick. As we watch it here, the goalkeeper And that one came in from Rusiate Ndoindoi. What a player he is, Rusiate. And he wanted to get that in badly. He went into the air to get it down. But then it went, and again, Isikeli Sevanaya. As we watch it here into the opposition half now. Ashnil Raju, the crowd behind him. They know the seconds are flying away. They win here, they qualify. With Navua also will qualify. But at the moment, Lambasa is not going to qualify. If this scoreline remains, they have to play tomorrow. 5 minutes remains. There it is, the confirmation. Akemi Ralulu, Ashnil Raju. Can Lambasa get the goal that will give them the ticket to the semi-final next week here? As they make that quick pass, Seta, Iwane, Ashnil Raju, the shot taken, and there he is, the miss by him. With that ball, flies away the hopes of the goal as the goal kick to come in. Isikeli Sevanaya clears that one away. The header from Taniala. Sikove Neivakananumi turning around, keeping possession to his toes. Lolo Ivalu loves to run with the ball, and he's exactly doing that. And now Ashnil Raju compliments, plays it across. Good defense there by Ivan Kumar. And what can they do here? Monit Chen, the former Navua player. Clever 10 by him. Again, clever run. Still Monit. And Monit manages to keep possession. Throw in there. Patrick Joseph. A lot of space around him. Plays it through there. Tevita. Warani Valu. And that shot by Tevita looked dangerous. It's a goal kick to Lambasa. The policeman almost caught that one. Works as a in that police special response unit. Taniela Wanga, as we watch this again, that shot and just curls away from the left post. 92 of the 95 is completed here. The kick comes in. Header, the time. Iwane had a grand game so far. We quickly thank our partners in this live stream: Extra Supermarket, RC Manubhai, Smart Efficient Security, Nivea, Tembara Halal Meats, and for Electrical and General Contractors Limited. As we are concluding match day 2, match number 4, and in totality match number 8 as far as group situation is concerned. 4 played yesterday, 4 played today here. Lambasa on a counter attack as Sikove looks for support to arrive. That pass, Sikove once again. Now from that far side, what can they do? Rusiate Ndoindoi and Rewa recover. Rewa regather, and Rewa put it away. Warani Valu, and now it is Patrick Joseph racing away on his own. He's surrounded and he cannot do anything with that ball. They come around him and they close down. And now Chitoko Vulava headed away, and he does well the time. Asivarosi, quick one from him. Tevita and Kofana. Leon Kofana's pass was not well taken that time by Kenny Vangi, and the last one, Ivan. No, it was Monit rather. So 94 completed here. The final seconds are ticking down now. Will we go right till the 60th second, or will it be less than that? Will be decided and determined by the referee Veer Singh. Navua is on the verge of qualifying for the semi-final. The first team and the only team will be in the semi-final just after the completion of match day 2, match number 8 out of the group matches, and we can confirm with that whistle,
Ladies